Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to learn about how we can install IntelliJ IDEA. So this is my IntelliJ IDEA interface. Open your favorite browser and type download IntelliJ IDEA. Click on first link. You can see IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. I'm not going to install it. Why? Because it's a free 30-day trial only. I am going to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So .exe Windows, right? Click on download button and download will be start. Before installing IntelliJ IDEA, make sure that you have installed Java JDK. If you have not installed Java JDK, then I am going to show you how you can download JDK 22 and install it. So type download JDK, go to Java downloads, and here you can see JDK 22, 21, 17 available. I'm using Windows, so click on Windows button and I'm going to install installer. So before clicking on this link, make sure you have Oracle account, right? So here Oracle account, sign in, email, password, right? Sign into Oracle. Now here you can see Windows 64-bit install. Click on this download button. Here JDK 22 is start downloading, right? So JDK 22 is downloaded. So double click on that link. Click on next, finish, right? Open your command prompt. Type command prompt. Here you can see we have to type Java dash version. So here you can see Java version 22 is installed in my system, right? We have to set it path. So go to C drive, go to program files. Here you can see a folder named Java JDK 22, right? Bin till pin, right? Select this URL, copy, go to your this PC, properties, advanced system setting. Here click on environment variables and here you can see path, right? So click on edit. Here you can see I have already set up path, but you have to click on new button. So I am going to delete one, right? So what you have to do, just click on new button, paste it here, right? And move that one top, move up, right? So JDK 22 here, okay, right? So just click on OK button, select OK, select here path, OK, OK. Here you can see my IntelliJ IDEA is downloaded, right? So just open, just double click on that application, click on next. Here I am going to change this designation folder. I am going to install in my D drive. I am not going to install in my C drive because I have already installed one IntelliJ IDEA in my system. So different directory I have to install it. So in D drive I am going to create a folder. So make new folder, click on make new folder, type here IntelliJ IDEA community, enter, select that folder, click on OK button, right? Next, here you can see create desktop shortcut, okay. Add bin folder to path, okay. Update context menu, added open folder project, click on create association.java. So this window appears, keep it default, just click on install button. Here you can see our installation is completed, right? Just click on finish button, right? Select reboot and finish. Here you can see our IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition extra shortcut is created. So just double click on that. So here you can see JetBrains ID import setting, right? Visual Studio Code or skip. You can skip. I am going to also skip. Here you can see this is our welcome window. So how we can create project? So we have to click on new button, new project. Here give project name my first app, right? And choose location where you want to save your project. So just browse and I want to save my project in my F drive, right? So select that drive and create here a new directory. So click on new directory in this icon and give project name, project folder name. So I am giving my Java projects. Okay, select my Java project folder, click on OK button, and here you can see JDK 22. It is installed in my system. It has taken, right? Add sample code, no. Generate code, no. Just simply click on create button, and here you can see our project is created. My first app. After creating project, we have to go where? In SRC folder. And in SRC folder we have to select that one and just click on right button and just create a new package. What is package in Java? Package is nothing but a folder that is used to store our program in organized manner. So give package name any. I am giving package name P1. Always remember package name should always we have to write in lowercase. And select package, just right click, go to new and create a Java class. Give class name any. So I am giving name class name demo. Select class, double click. Here you can see our class is created. Class demo. Create main method, public static void main. String array of string arguments, and here pass message to print the output on the console. System dot out dot println. What is println? Println is a method, right? That is used to print our output on the console. So here I am writing thanks for watching, right? Just save the program, press Ctrl S and save the program. And for running Java program, see here there is a icon run demo.java, or you can also press shift F10, right? So just click on that, and here you can see giving me output thanks for watching, right? And you can also press shift F10. If you are using laptop, then you have to laptop keyboard, then you have to press shift function F10, right? Here you can see it's giving me output thanks for watching. So that's all guys in today's session.